Anyway, I would like you two guys to sample. I like sample. I want you sample. 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 This is what the negro called the ghetto milk. You're perfect. I want you to sample. Mr. Shelby. I want you to sample. Sample.
Yes.
Oh, you give me the approval immediately. Oh, Papa. Thank you, Mr. Shelby. Thank you.
You put me in the water.
I am the greatest. Oh, you inspired my heart. Thank you, Mr. Shelby. Oh, thank you. God bless you. Bless this stuff. I feel like a 2026 Olympic winner. Oh, may I eat with you? May I sup with you, Mr. Chef?
Yeah, I'm going.
Perfecto. Would you like to know my ingredients?
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Chef.
Yeah.
Would you like a sample?
Yes.
Bite and chew, please. Chew.
Where's your ingredients?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so totally classified. Now we will be back with you with more dishes soon. And I will be gone from here.